Hello, I'm Charisse Marie, and I help entrepreneurs just like you supercharge their marketing strategies using Pinterest. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, hit the subscribe button below or over on the side if you're on desktop. Okay, so today I want to talk about who you should hire. Should you hire a Pinterest VA or should you hire a Pinterest strategist, and why? So here's what I know about being a Pinterest VA, because I started out as a Pinterest VA. A Pinterest VA just does what they're told. They're not going to give you any insights. They're not going to give you any advice. They're not going to give you any help. They're just going to do the things that you tell them to do. They're going to pin when you tell them to pin. They might write some of your copy for you for your pin descriptions. They might write some of your headlines. They might maybe do keyword research. They may create your pins based off of a template that you already have created. But in most cases, a Pinterest VA doesn't have the skills or the capacity to do much more than that. And they don't want to. That is why they are simply a virtual assistant for Pinterest. They will manage your Pinterest account fantastically, but they don't want the responsibilities of going further than that. Or maybe they don't have the capabilities yet to go further than that. A Pinterest manager, they might do a little bit more than just a straight VA. They may be able to kind of walk you through some of the basics of, maybe creating new pin templates. They may be interested in helping you with some more keyword research or maybe getting into hashtags. They're probably a little more familiar with Pinterest ads and able to help you with that. Maybe they want to kind of, help with some of the other Pinterest related things. They're probably at that point able to give you a much better perspective of how your Pinterest account itself is performing. But there's a next step that you actually should be looking at if you are spending the money for Pinterest. And that is, how is your funnel working in conjunction with your Pinterest account? Because Pinterest is just simply a search engine. It would be like having a Google manager who just manages your Google part of your website and maybe a little bit of your website-y things, but doesn't actually manage SEO or how your funnels work or any of that kind of stuff. So a Pinterest strategist will really help you to hone in on what parts of your funnel are working fantastic, what parts of your funnel need a little more work. Now, a Pinterest strategist is going to help you when it comes to really setting up your Pinterest account by really deep diving into all the pieces of your funnel for you and identifying where the shortcomings may lie. If they're any experienced whatsoever, they're going to be able to say, ooh, that piece right there might be tripping you up. How's your conversions from that point on? They might be able to tell you, these emails need a little work. They might be able to say, oh, my Lord, girl, let's start from scratch. It's a great idea, terrible execution. There's a lot of ways that a real Pinterest strategist who knows their stuff and knows funnel strategy as well can really help you to exponentially grow your business in a way that a Pinterest VA certainly isn't going to, and in a way that even a Pinterest manager may fall short of. So a Pinterest strategist is really going to give you a holistic overview look at your entire business and all the ways that you bring people into your funnels and help you to identify where they're getting stuck on that customer journey, how to get them unstuck on that piece in the customer journey, and how to really create a different experience for your customers that is more enjoyable and that converts better. Because at the end of the day, anything that we do, we want it to move the needle when it comes to our creation of customers, our retention of customers, our return on investment, ROI, is very, very crucial to actually creating a business that stands the test of time, that continues to grow, that allows us the freedom to move forward into a fantastic new future that has more clients and more confidence and more ease in it. So that's really what it is in a nutshell. Is it depends where you are on your Pinterest journey. I mean, if you've already got a banging funnel and you've already got somebody else set up your Pinterest on-ramp for you and you know it works really well, then maybe all you need is a VA just to keep the engine running. If you need someone to do a little more than that because you're not quite sure how your Pinterest is set up, then maybe you want a Pinterest manager. If, however, you are starting from Pinterest scratch, you probably want to hire a strategist to really help you to move from this may work to this is the thing that's going to work, and it's going to work every single time. It's rinse and repeat. Then you may want to hand it off to a VA. But at first, you probably want to work with a strategist who has a fundamental understanding of what a funnel is, what a good performing funnel looks like, the various ways that people can get stuck in a funnel, and can really give you a wealth of knowledge aside from just, these are really pretty pictures and you should pin them. And that's really the end goal, isn't it? Is more than just, these are really pretty pictures and you should pin them. Because that might get you followers, but it's not going to get you conversions. It's not going to get you link clicks. And that's what we want. So skyrocket your business with a well thought out Pinterest strategy, and create that strategy with a strategist who's going to help you get the most bang for your buck. On that note, I'm out of here. Have a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.